Hello guys, I'm driving on the highway in Pretoria from the Zambezi gate. Traffic jam. I'm in Pretoria for today. I'm doing tests with a few patients. If you haven't heard about the RBTI test, RBTI stands for Rims's Biological Theory of Ionization. It's measuring what is causing high cholesterol, high blood pressure, diabetes, cancer, whatever symptom you may have. RBTI will tell you what is the cause of that symptom. It's a plain hour test. Test is 1,500 rand. And if you're anywhere in Pretoria, you've got a symptom and you like to know what is the cause of such a symptom, please let me know and I'll make a 10. 081 44 325 34. 081 44 325 34. RBTI Dr. Neetling. Thank you.